All right, we have talked about the distributive property so many times that I'm sure you're like, we got it, Mrs. Herneisen, we got it. You're breaking it into the chunks that are more manageable. But I want to show you how we can use it for 2-digit times 2-digit multiplication. So say we have a problem like this, 47 times 36. Let's go ahead and make our area model. Okay, so we're going to take that 47 and then we're going to break 36 into the tens, right? And it's ones. Okay, so this is going to be 47 times 30, and this is going to be 47 times 6. Now, you're probably looking at that going, well, it's still 2-digit times 2-digit, but recognize this. This isn't a basic fact, but we know how to do these problems. Remember, we just talked about them. We can break that into 47 times 3 times 10 using the associative property, because we know order doesn't matter. We can break that 30 into 3 times 10. But then we're like, well, let's do the easy problem first and do 47 times 3. Let's see, 47 times 3. We'll do that up here. 3 times 7, 7, 14, 21. 3 times 4, 4, 8, 12, plus 2. 141. And now we're going to multiply that times 10. Well, when we multiply 141 times 10, I think 141 times 1 is that. Take off a 0, add a 0. And then we could do our 47 times 6. Again, we can do that one up here. 6 times 7, 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. I put the 2 in the ones place, put the 4 up in the tens. 6 times 4, 4, 8, 12, 16. With a 20 here and a 24, plus 4 more. So now I broke it into these chunks. And what do you think I have to do with these two chunks? We smush them back together. So we're using our area model. See how we take that 47, and when you're seeing this, it might be 47 times 30 times 6 is what it might look like on your paper. You've got 47 times 30, then 47 times 6. It's the distributive property. We're breaking that number up into its tens and its ones, finding the easier problems that we know, and then solving them. Now listen, the next chapter, or the next lesson, I'm going to go ahead and teach you 2-digit times 2-digit. But this is kind of fun to play around with and really understand what you're doing with the tens and the ones and why you break it down and put it back together. So I do want you to give this one a try.